Hey guys, it's Angie. So yesterday I went to the Goodwill bins and I wanted to show you what I picked up. I did spend $17 at my bins yesterday, and surprisingly I didn't get very many books, which is normally what I try to find. So let's see what I found, and you can let me know if you think I made some good purchases. The first thing that I found, which was I was super happy about, were these Dance Go shoes. Now, the great thing about getting these is our shoe people were at the bins yesterday, and they are the folks who go in and pretty much are only buying shoes and purses actually, and they send them overseas. Surprisingly, after they got done with the bin, these Dance Go's, which are in amazing condition, were still in there. So they just didn't recognize them as Dance Go's. So I was super excited to get these. They're like suede, very unusual for Dance Go's, but look at the condition. Really excited about these. And they are size 39s, which should be an 8. Then they brought out a bunch of purses and wallets and things. The first is this cute little Vera Bradley. And it's the kind that has the metal clasp, opens in 3 spots there. I thought it was pretty cute. I don't see too many like this with the clasp. Then I got this one, which is an Klein Wallet. It's also in great shape. Then I did find a Coach wallet, which was really nice, but if you look right here, there are some scuffing right there. Can you see that? Yeah. If it doesn't sell, I can always keep this because it is a super nice wallet. Look how clean it is. And normally there's a bunch of bags, but not wallets, so I thought this was kind of cool. Then I've never seen one of these. This is a little Vera Bradley, I guess it's for pills. So that is cute and in good shape. And you know how Vera Bradley gets. It gets, the handles get real dirty and they start to like fray and things. The couple things that I found that were Vera Bradley weren't like that, so I was super happy. Then I found this cute little Le Sport sack. And I didn't think it had very much value, but I did look it up, and surprisingly they are going for pretty decent money. It's a crossbody. Then the next one I found was this, I think it says Falcone. At first I thought it was really worn. You see in the middle, like the denim looks really distressed. But then I realized that's just how the purse is, and that is the label. It's kind of interesting. It's a crossbody, but look, it has snaps and it has this whole interior section with interior pockets that are striped inside. And then you wear it crossbody like this and it folds down, see? I thought it was really neat, and with summer coming, I thought someone will really like this. The next one I got was this Vera Bradley. Look how bright it still is. And for a black bag, I was super impressed. Even the handles look really good. No fading or anything. So that's a really good one. I have more wallets, guys. This one is called a Safe Keeper. It has like a little bit of, so you can see the little stainings on the front. But it's a leather wallet, so I can easily clean that up because the inside looks great. This one is an Isaac Mizrahi. It's leather. It's also one of these. Okay, someone tell me what these are called. This kind of clasp. I can't ever think of a name for it because I have 2 of them now that have this. What is it called? But it's also like super clean inside. This one's genuine leather. Has the typical little leather scuffing, but I have leather conditioner and I can fix that right up. Then I found 2 wallets that are Lotus, L-O-D-I-S. And I thought they were cute, but I've never actually heard of this brand. But this one folds open like this, and then it has an M zipper, Lotus or Lodi's. But then I found this one too, and this one was so beautiful I didn't want to not get it. And it has a really nice zipper on the back. Cute little tab. And inside, look how nice this is. Super, super nice wallet. And then I got some other things. I did get this Atlanta Motor Speedway hat. Just I thought it was kind of unique. It's in great shape. It's not a name brand. It says SMI properties, but hats weigh next to nothing, so I probably paid about 35 cents for a hat. But the one that I found that I was super excited about was this one right here. Look at that John Deere hat. Love this. It's a snapback. I would assume it's vintage. It is actually a John Deere and a Paul Frank collaboration, and I'm hoping this one gets pretty good money because I don't think I saw any on eBay. So I've been paying attention to the Media Marauder and the Cap Guy about picking up more media, so I've definitely been looking at those. I did find a sealed Sinatra Best of the Best, and this sells for about $10. Super light. But this one, Them Crooked Vultures, brand new, this one will sell for about $16 to $20. And I was super happy to pick that up. I never would have before, so thank you. Now, I didn't go to the bins till about 11, so plenty of people have been looking through them. And the first thing that I picked up was this. Zoo Tycoon. I used to play this years ago, and this is like the original. I looked it up, and guys, this one right here sells for like $40 on eBay. Stop! Nobody had picked it up. It was sitting right there in the middle of the bin. Like, everyone just brushed by it, so I'll take that all day long. The next thing I picked up, which truly, I don't know if it's worth even $1, is this right here. It is just these Arthur, Dr. Seuss, and Little Bear activities. I picked it up only because I was under the weight. I could add some more to still stay the same weight, so it didn't really cost me anything. I actually haven't looked it up yet, so hopefully that's worth something. I also picked up a lot of Ladybug magazines. These, my kids loved these when they were little, and so every time I see them, I definitely pick them up. The last lot that I had sold for, I think, $45. Now that lot had 30 of them in there. I have 8, so I don't know if I'll just hold on to them and see if more come available or just list the 8. In any case, these definitely sell. They're great literature-based magazine for little kids, and I just enjoyed them so much when my kids were little, so I'm kind of nostalgic for them. Another thing that I thought was really cool that I picked up was this right here, Ragnarok. Oh, look at that thing. Last God Standing. It is one of these graphic novels, comics. I don't know if it's worth anything, but man, it is cool as can be, and I couldn't pass it up. So I hope there's some value in that one. Then I found something that Bobby, the cat guy, will really love. It is a Mary Kay item. What this is the little bag of satin hands, and it is all 3 pieces in there and still new in the bag, so super happy to get that. This weighs about a half a pound, so I paid about $1, and it will sell really easily on eBay. Surprisingly, nobody picked these up. Now, I am not familiar with this. It's Modern Movement bras. I always say pick up bras because they sell really, really well. Now, these are, it says a 40D, so it's a bigger size, which is better for bras. These are brand new with tags. The clearance price on this was $22. Original price was $38. And I have 2 of those exact same bras. And then I found this one, which is originally $40, and it was $24. Also same brand, just a different style. Anytime you find new tag or used bras that are in great condition, guys, pick them up. They sell really well. Don't leave that money on that table for sure. Then, 2 really cool items that I picked up I was very happy about. The next thing is something that was laying in the bottom of the bin and no one even looked at it. And when I saw it, I almost passed it by too because I thought it was some old picture or something. And then I looked a little closer because this is the side that was up. A little Shrek the Third. But here what it is, it's a limited edition lithograph from Toys R Us, which hasn't been in business for years now, when you pre-ordered the Shrek the Third DVD. I thought that was pretty cool, and I looked it up, and here, this lithograph sells for over $40 on eBay. So score, it weighs maybe an ounce. And then finally, the last thing I was super happy about, I was actually in line to check out, and the person in front of me forgot their wallet. So they had to run out to their car, and I was just standing there. So there was a bin right beside me that I had already looked through, and I thought, well, let me look over there while I'm sitting here waiting for her to come back in and everything. And I saw this. Could it be? Is it possible? It is. A TI 84 Plus Silver Edition, purple. What? These are worth a ton. If you ever see a TI 84 Plus, no matter what edition it is, pick those up. I sold a regular black one for $50 yesterday, and this one I can only imagine is worth more because it's purple. Okay, that's it guys, $17 spent. How do you think I did? Well, I'm gonna put all this up on eBay today, and hopefully I will give you an update on anything that sells. If you ever are interested in anything I have shown on my videos, please send me a message. I always love to give my subscribers and viewers a better deal than you can get just by purchasing off of my eBay. I have to say, going to the Goodwill bins today was a whole lot of fun. I found a bunch of interesting, different items than I normally find. I always tell people definitely give the Goodwill bins a chance. Make sure that you come there with an open mind because it literally changes hour by hour. What I found today is something that will not be there the next time, but if you enjoy hunting for treasures, then the Goodwill bins is definitely a place that you will enjoy. Alright, that's it for today guys. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up on the way out. That definitely helps the channel. If I made any good scores, let me know in the comments what you think, or if I bought any duds, let me know that as well. If you'd like to see my plush haul from the Goodwill bins, check out this video right here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. I do lots of fun and informative videos, and I'd love to be able to share that with you. Well, that's it for today. Have a great day, everyone. I'm Angie, and I'm living the dream. Bye.